Today I want to show you one of our compass lifts that we've installed into this home. This home is essentially a 2-level home with a halfway stop in between the 2 levels, being a mezzanine level. And the customer came to us with a requirement for a 2-level lift. However, they really needed a lift that also stopped halfway in between the 2 levels. And we've been able to do that with our compass lift in essentially a 3-stop through cabin arrangement to allow the lift to stop at all 3 levels. First up, I'd like to show you the custom lighting solution that we've integrated with the signaling of this. I'll show you how it works. So initially, there is a signal that the lift is on travel, and then an arrival signal to the top here. The cool feature of that is that you're able to clearly understand whether the lift has arrived or it's under journey via these clear signaling strip lighting. So we were able to integrate this custom lighting solution for the client who is into their own custom lighting solutions. And so we're able to integrate this custom lighting feature with the lift system. So we're currently standing on a halfway stop or a mezzanine level right here. So we're directly between the upper level and the lower level. And we've still got a stop here. One of the great features of the compass is that its ability to give you that through cabin ability to stop at essentially 3 stops through a 2-level home. Originally, the client was looking at our iconic home elevator. However, they were quickly able to understand that the compass with the 3-stop requirement was a far better solution for their needs and allowed them proper access to all 3 levels of the home. So here at Velocity, we're able to work with the client, recognise their needs and come up with solutions that fit their home and their lifestyle. I'm James from Velocity Home Lifts. If you'd like some advice on how to integrate a home elevator into your build or design or existing home, please give us a call and visit our showroom.